If you saw our last video, you know our Sega haul was about 50-50. So today we're gonna see if we can make it 100, and we're gonna try and bring this Sega Saturn back to life. It doesn't even turn on, so I mean, certainly there's gotta be some power supply issues there. I just hope there's not more than that. If it's just a power supply, I think we're gonna come out ahead. Okay, so this one's got a 4-pin power connector. Oh! Oh my goodness, do you see this? I may have found the problem. If this is all this is, yeah, this is gonna be the shortest repair video ever. And it will be awesome.
You should try plugging that in.
Yeah, heck yeah. Let's find out. Could it have just fallen off? Like, is that possible? I mean, it's got a clip, like.
Yeah, but that feels kind of unlikely.
Like, look at this.
You're kidding me.
Well, I don't know. We'll see if it actually does something here.
We got green light.
Oh my gosh. That was it? Let's go. I mean, it's perfectly working. Yeah, this is like the battery terminal being disconnected on your car. This is a perfectly playable Saturn. Well, there it is. We fixed it. I'd like to say it required a lot of experience and technical skill, but well, you saw the same thing I did. So we got to 100, a whole lot easier than I thought we would. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this extremely quick repair video on how to reattach the power cable. We'll see you on the next one. I guess that's one way to open the door. It's still in there. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped the CD drive out. If you saw our... Really?
I think you need to go out, Macy.